Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset on our Magic V6. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. First and argumented method is a reset through the settings. So let's begin with that. Open up the settings, then scroll all the way down until you find System and Updates, and then tap on Reset. In here, besides the factory reset, we can also reset all settings and reset network settings. But in our case, we are interested in the last option, reset phone. We just gotta tap on that. In here, you got a list of the things that will be erased from your phone. Basically, everything will be erased, so have that in mind. For example, before the reset, you can create a backup of the data if you want to restore the data later in the future. Now, to reset the device, all you gotta do is to tap on reset phone, and you also gotta confirm with your screen lock if you have one. If you don't have it, your device will be turned off. After a while, it's going to be turned on again automatically, and you just need to wait until it turns on fully, and you will see the setup process. That's the first method. When it comes to the second method, it's a reset through the recovery mode. And when it comes to this method, you gotta remember about two things. First thing is that if you reset the device and you go to the setup process, and the phone will want to verify you, there is a chance for that. And the verification is typing your screen lock or signing in into the same Google account into which you were signed in on your phone before the reset. It's called the FRP, which stands for Factory Reset Protection. If you want to avoid that, you can of course turn off your screen lock and also sign out from your Google account, and you won't have that then. Now, to perform this method, to perform this reset, we gotta power off device first. So hold the power key and volume up until you see the power menu and click on power off now and confirm. Now, we gotta hold the power key and volume up at the same time until we see the Honor logo. When it appears, release the power key, but keep holding volume up. Now you can release the power key, the phone vibrates. That's the moment when you can release, but keep holding volume up. And something didn't work. I'm wondering why. I think that I was holding my phone, I wasn't holding power button enough, so let's repeat it. Power off. And let's do it again now. Let's hold a little bit longer. And maybe we don't even have to release the volume up. On every smartphone, the combination is different. Okay, and that was the thing that we wanted to get, but I was holding the power key for too long. So again, we gotta repeat it. As you can see, sometimes it takes a few tries, but don't worry, simply keep repeating. Power off. Okay, third time is a charm, so now it will work. Let's release the power key now, but let's keep holding volume up. Okay, now we got a sentence, please see the main screen. That's the moment when we need to unfold the phone. And in here we have the menu. We gotta select clear data, select factory reset, type the word yes, and then select factory reset. Okay, reset successful. Click on back and restart. Now we just need to wait until our phone turns on, and after that we will also see the setup process. Now we can fold the phone back again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.